This video is going to cover 3 steps. We're going to look at the stock requirements in step 4, create a purchase requisition in step 5, and then review the stock requirements listing to see what impact our purchase requisition had. We'll follow the breadcrumb trail shown here, starting with logistics, then materials management, then inventory management, then environment. We'll click stock, and finally the stock requirements list. Now we're going to be looking at this screen an awful lot, so I'm going to right click it and I'm going to add that to my favorites. It's going to pop up here, and because I'm going to be needing that a whole lot more. I'm going to slide this bar over a little bit. So we'll go ahead and we'll select MD04. We're going to type in our part number, and again the part number is CHLK for chain lock, the digit 1, and then the last 3 digits of your user ID. Mine is 001, yours will be something different. The plant, we're dealing with Miami, so that'd be MI00, and we'll go ahead and click the green ball. And what we see here is today's date. This is the date that I'm recording this video, and we see nothing. We show we have no available quantity, and there's just nothing coming in yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave this screen, and we're going to come back to this after we create our requisition to see what happened. Step 5 is where we create a purchase requisition to get 200 chain locks, which is going to help a promotional campaign starting in 3 months, brand new product. Now, this says that we're going to create the purchase requisition. In a real world company, what happens is that other people outside the purchasing department create the requisition, then send it into purchasing. So this being an academic study, we're going to do the work. We'll start with the breadcrumb trail. We'll go logistics, materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, and create. Okay, now first thing we're going to do, we're going to close each of these. There's an item detail, an item overview, and a header. This is all different information within the purchase requisition. So first we'll expand the header, and this is going to be the information that's going to be communicated to our suppliers, and it's right here in the instructions. I'll go ahead and insert that off camera. Now this header information in the purchase requisition is going to be transmitted to the suppliers in the following document, which is a request for quote. The RFQ, request for quote, goes to the supplier, and this is going to be a deadline that they have to send their information in, because we cannot wait indefinitely on any kind of response from them. We need to give them a hard deadline so that we can do our jobs in purchasing. Next up is to put in the information for the product we're actually going to be requisitioning. We're going to open up the item overview, and then we're going to type in our part number. Again, the part number is CHLK, the digit 1, followed by your 3 digits from your user ID. Mine are 001. Yours will be something different. Tab over, the quantity is going to be 200. Delivery date, I could type that in, or I can click this icon, and this is the 22nd day of September. So I'm going to scroll down until I find the 22nd day of December. So the plant is MI00, the storage location is Trading Goods, TG00, and the purchasing group is North America, N00. It says after clicking on enter, pair your screen with the one below. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now we have the item detail automatically populated, gives us some information on the part number. The text has been added, the material group automatically added, as was the unit of measure, so everything looks good. So our last action will be to save and create a requisition number. So that is requisition ending in 011. Now for step 6, what I've done is I never actually closed the MD04. I just opened a new window. So if I come down and I open that window back up, this is what it looked like when I finished step 4. This was my stock requirements at the end of step 4. If I go ahead and refresh this screen, what I'll see is that my purchase requisition, again ending in 011, has been entered. What this means is that on December 22nd, if all goes well, I should have 200 chain locks. And that wraps it for steps 4 through 6.